LAX traffic going through the tunnel. Just like old times. Summer getaways are in full swing.
Central 8 p.m. station. Like an elevator. You can see the skylights on the roof and ceiling area. Over here by Terminal 2, the pedestrian walkway. Here's the next pedestrian bridge as we head up towards Bradley. More glass. These are developing quickly. Crazy traffic from APM West. Got a new steel structure going up there. I don't know if that's gonna be an elevator shaft or something else. Alright, the People Mover West station. You can see all those circular cutouts for skylights. Yeah, that'll look nice. Going with the theme with the other stations that I've seen. All pretty much look the same, uniform. But you can see the structure of it taking shape finally. It took a while to get this elevated. Now you can see from the central station, the bridge will continue all the way, ending at the west station. One continuous bridge now, no more gaps. Now here you can see the bridge that continuously go on from one side of the horseshoe road to the other. You can see in this walkway they've put in some finished flooring, it looks like. And you can see a little bit of a bridge gap there that they'll be connecting in the future. So it's pretty awesome with this station in particular, because this will be about the closest under construction station that I'll be able to get up get some good shots here, about as close as I'll be able to, compared to all the others that are spread out through LAX and other areas. So I'll have to check the renderings and try to figure out what exactly this is going to be. I don't think it's not part of the bridge. Maybe like an elevator. Here we are with the next pedestrian walkway. It's got some kind of a spray on there. Looks like some kind of fire retardant or what. But glass panels are just about on every walkway I've seen. So I anticipate these walkways looking finished probably like a few more months. Probably before the end of summer, I would say. We'll see. It's on the flip side of the APM West. And then this pedestrian walkway, this section of it's a little bit more in the early stages of development. Looking pretty good as it continues. Does like a little bit of a zigzag pattern there. Getting into your next building. And another view here of the central station. You can see all the sheathing going up on the sides. Continues on from American to Delta. Here's a pedestrian walkway that has ways to go. Bridge the gap. It's over by the theme building. And the easternmost station, the East Station. They got a lot of cinder blocks here next to the station. No, sorry, next to the pedestrian bridge. Can't resist this blatant retro shot. With old comes new.